Hi everybody, welcome to another interview for the DECT Forum YouTube channel and DECT Today magazine. You probably remember that recently the DECT Forum announced the formation of a new SIG. This is a strategic interest group to tackle critical challenges in providing ultra-resilient and interoperable wireless connectivity everywhere in buildings, using of course the new NR+ technology standard. Schneider Electric is one of the principal contributors to the new SIG, and today I'm talking to Ben Eates, 5G and emerging markets architect at Schneider. Ben, tell us the background to your company.
Okay, hi Vince. So at Schneider Electric, our purpose is to create impact by empowering all to make the most out of our energy and resources. Our mission is to be the trusted partner in sustainability and efficiency. We are a global industrial technology leader, bringing expertise in electrification, automation and digitization to different areas like smart industries, resilient infrastructure, intelligent buildings and intuitive homes. We are a company of more than 150,000 employees, which span across more than 100 different countries. We embrace diversity and inclusion in everything that we do, guided by our purpose of creating a sustainable future for everyone.
And what part of the building automation sector is Schneider addressing?
Yeah, so we provide for our customers building management, energy management, security access control, and environmental control solutions. Specifically for the smart building space, we're addressing sustainability concerns, building operational efficiencies, HVAC, lighting, access control.
Okay then, and what do you see as the current state of the smart buildings marketplace?
Yeah, so the smart buildings industry is experiencing significant growth and transformation, which is largely driven by the advancements in technology and the increasing demand for energy efficient and sustainable building solutions. Today, 75% of buildings are not energy efficient, and that accounts for 30% of global energy consumption, which is responsible for much of the inefficiency within the building environment. The trend of using artificial intelligence for data analytics creates many new opportunities, but needs to be met with the appropriate security posture, which is both data security, but also data privacy. And ensuring a reduction in carbon footprint is a huge driver, which combines both energy efficiency and sustainability topics, amongst others, and is especially relevant in retrofit, and I mean equally important for new construction as well.
And what do you think are the biggest challenges the market's facing at the moment?
Yeah, typically I think there's a higher initial cost for installing a traditional smart building solution, especially in retrofit environments, which is why a longer range, highly reliable wireless technology is so important. As we interconnect more and more devices in the smart building network, the need for resilient and cyber secure solutions becomes ever more relevant. And I mean, these security topics point towards the need of both secure solutions, but also a workforce that is skilled in cyber secure practices. One of the major focuses of the interest group is to ensure interoperability across different systems. And this is a really important topic for everyone, right? Allowing multiple systems to be integrated across a single building or campus. And then finally, the market is really demanding solutions that have a positive impact towards sustainability and environmental goals.
Okay. And talking of the SIG itself, the Strategic Interest Group, what do you see as its value and its purpose, basically?
Yeah, so I mean, the interest group is expected to help develop NR+ within the smart buildings domain, which is going to ensure that we have ultra reliable wireless coverage everywhere in the building and campus to any number of IoT devices. And this is done by enabling the largest community of adopters as part of the interest group. And we will deliver interoperability, security, and seamlessly connected products through the collaboration of the people within this group, right? The industry leaders, the silicon vendors, the stack vendors, and the security experts.
Okay. And do you consider NR Plus to be the optimum technology for this secure, long-range, low-power, and easy-to-commission wireless connected systems? And do you consider that there's competition in this marketplace?
So through our testing at Schneider Electric, we see really great promise in this technology. Of course, there is some further development needed to the solutions available today to be able to consider certain aspects. For example, commissioning and low power modes. But all of this is in progress and under development today. NR Plus is offering a trade-off between range and bandwidth in a frequency band that is not heavily congested. So it is really suitable for bidirectional, reliable, low latency, and higher bandwidth connectivity compared to its competitors. I don't think there is any one technology that really matches the capabilities of NR Plus. Rather, the competitors are typically identified against specific use cases and their requirements. So for a long range, low latency, and highly reliable wireless protocol, I think NR Plus is positioned really strong in the market.
Well, that's very positive. I'm very pleased to hear you say that. What do you think it will take for NR Plus to become the solution of choice for the building automation sector?
Yeah, I think we need to see greater adoption from silicon and stack vendors, a certification process to ensure the interoperability and implementation of standardized building automation protocols. Most of this, which is really part of the interest group, right? What we're targeting. And then, yeah, there will definitely be some use cases within the smart buildings domain that require these low power mode, battery operated type devices and lower cost radios.
Right, well, I've been tracking smart buildings and building automation for a long time, and I know that it's a marketplace that moves very slowly. Do you feel the time's right for this project to be launched?
Yeah, so I guess it moves slowly, partially due to the complexity of introducing building automation into existing buildings. So to combat this, we see more and more trends pointing towards wireless-based solutions. And that's really where NR Plus is sort of addressing many of the concerns, right? We have a technology that is a clear fit. It's able to penetrate through a lot of the building where other protocols are not able to reach. And for this reason, we really need to be ensuring the interoperability, the certification, the standardization from the beginning. So now is, in fact, the perfect time, right, to launch the interest group, to make sure that we have all of these points covered from the very beginning.
Well, it's very positive indeed for companies such as Schneider Electric to be supporting the special strategic interest group and NR Plus itself. I really appreciate your time today, Ben, and I very much look forward to the opportunity to talk to you again on this subject in the future. Thanks very much.
Great, thanks, Fitz.